Hello, good afternoon. Today I want to introduce our new smarter Otdr. Here is the user manual and the calibration report. Calibration report and the user manual. And the QC card. This is for a warranty. And this is the Otdr and some accessory. First of all, it's the USB disk. We put PC software in the USB disk, so you can use the software to open and print Otdr testing result. And this is a ST connector. This is a SC connector. You can change the FC connector on the Otdr to the SC or ST very easily. And this is the USB that cable. You can use this cable export that from the Otdr to your computer. And this one is for carry the Otdr. Clap here and take the Otdr very easily. And here is the 3 different power charger plugger. So if you sell the Otdr International, that will be very easily for you and for your for your customers. And most importantly is the Otdr. Here is a smarter case that's especially for the Otdr, but for let you see the Otdr clearly, I take the Otdr from its case. And you can see there are 3 ports at the top of the Otdr. First one is Otdr, and also it is optical laser source same time. And the second one is optical power meter. Third one is VFL, visual fault locator. This is a FC connector, but you can easily change it into SC or ST connector easily. Maybe sometimes you also change it into LC, but LC will be sold separately. Now the SC and ST is come with the Otdr. Okay, and I change it into the SC. You must be aware of the key. Match carefully. Okay. You can see it's very easy, and also you can change it into ST. Now I will not make the ST demo. I will change it back into SC, and back into FC connector. Also same, there is also a key here. Okay. As I mentioned, there are 4 functions including in the Otdr. You do not need to pay anything for the sub-functions. VFL, optical laser source, optical power meter. Of course, the most one is the Otdr, but let's first try the VFL. Maybe you need to take the film off from the screen. You just use your finger to press VFL. Also, you can control the ODDR with the keyboards. Okay, now I use my cable link into the VFL port. The VFL port can be linked into any connectors such as FC, SC, ST, and when I press the continue wave CW, you can see the red light clearly. The VFL is come with 10 MW power, so it can reach about 12 kilometers. Here, 2HZ means they flashed 2 times 1 second. And 1HZ means 1 time 1 second. Okay. This is very useful and very normally for any testing treatment. And this one is optical power meter. And it comes with 6 nanometers for both single mode and multi-mode fibers. And it displays 2 units. One is dBm, another is NW. It's very useful. And this one is the optical laser source. Sometimes we call it optical lighter source. It's that meanings. It comes with 2 wavelengths, but the 2 wavelengths is very, very stable. If you compare it with some other optical lighters on the market, you will find this is a very, very good one. Okay, because the optical light source is not very to make demo, so I just go to, let's see. I just go to the optical, the Otdr function. Maybe sometimes you need to make some change, you make some setting. Press FE or use your finger. Now, the auto testing mode is in default, but you also change into manual mode if you like. Okay, this is the manual mode. Also, you can change the testing wavelength to 1550 nanometer. Just press this one or use your finger to control the display. Okay, now I just want to make a simple test, so I will use auto testing mode. And now I need to, I have two fiber reels. The one is about 1 kilometers. The other is about 2 kilometers. And these 2 reels are linked together by the adapter. So I will plug the FC connector into the ODDR port. Also, there is also a key. Carefully. Okay, now I press the test button and wait for around 1 second. You will see the testing result. Okay, you can see three testing event. The first one is the start. The second one is the adapter. The second one. It is around 1 kilometers. You can see it also. It is around 1 kilometers. Of course, if you want to see clearly, you can use the curve. A and B curve is very normally used any OTDRs. And the second one is the end of the fiber. The end of the fiber. And the totally wavelength is 3 kilometers. So it is very precise in high resolution. You can press this button to save the testing result. Press OK to OK. Also, you can change its name. I just press AAA for quick and press save. Okay, now you can use the cable, the USB cable, link into the Otdr and to your computer, and to print a test report on from your computer. Okay, thank you very much.